this too because because they be downloading my stuff so they can hear it and talk crap about it, but it benefits me.
Some tags, only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is fucking awesome.
Hello everybody, what's up? Welcome to another transformation video. We're going to transform into one of the most powerful women in rap industry, Cardi B.
You love cars. How many cars have you got now?
I have a Lambo, I have a Lamborghini truck,
Yeah.
I have a Bentley truck, I have a Maybach, and I have a Suburban, so
Okay, 5 cars. Now, here's my biggest question. You can't drive.
No.
So what's the point of having the cars?
To take pictures with it.
And I'll be telling you about the first time I ate sushi, which was the last time, and will be the last time. You know, I'm kind of a gluttonous fast food person, so I don't usually take a risk to eat uncooked food. But I just don't know what happened that day that it got out of my mind that I wanted to try sushi. What happened? I think it was because of the advertisement of the restaurant, because you know, it was that kind of restaurant that you can order as much as food you want and you just pay some money. I think I need a darker contour. Alright, I was saying, so we get to the, let me do this first. And you know, sushi is not a cheap meal, so we were like just, we get to the restaurant and we're just like, okay, we're paying this much money, so why just order one meal? We can order different flavors of sushi, and it sounded like a good idea, but spoiler alert, it was terrible. So we ordered different types of sushis, the meat, vegetables, fish, chicken, everything. But that restaurant had one condition: you have to eat all the sushis, and if you left any of them, you have to pay $10 for each one. So we ordered cooked sushis, and we were so confident that we can eat all of them because they were cooked, and you know, we like chicken and meat, so it's gonna be fine. And to be honest, the first one I tried was chicken, and it was delicious. It was perfect. I really liked it. But we were sitting next to the door, and it was winter, so the cold wind just came in. So gradually the sushis got cold, and they were just like piece of ices. So we couldn't swallow them. We asked the waiter if they can, use the microwave and make them warm. But they told us they can't make it any warmer because they're uncooked sushis. We ordered cooked ones and they gave us uncooked sushis and we didn't even notice. Oh my God.
Coronavirus! Coronavirus! Shit is getting real! Guess what, bitch? Shit is real! Coronavirus! I'm telling you, shit is getting real! Coronavirus! Woo! Coronavirus!
They were like 40 sushis and we couldn't even swallow them. 40 sushis. Uncooked. You know, in that moment, all I wanted was getting out of that aquarium and get some real food, like pizza. So I had no choice. I started eating, and I started with my favorite one. You know, I thought it's gonna be my favorite one, the meat. Because I was like, I like burgers, I like kebabs, I like meat. How can it be bad? And it turned out it can be bad. Really, really bad. Let me explain to you how exactly it was like. It tastes like there's a ship swimming in the cold ocean and you're biting its leg. I was definitely eating a ship's leg in the ocean with rice. Ugh. Okay, now I guess we're getting into something. It's not that bad, I just need false eyelashes. Also, it was a green sauce. I think it was wasabi or something. So that wasabi sauce was the best part of the meal. It was the best thing on that table. I think these lashes are fine. Oh my god, I can literally fly with this thing. See? Anyway, as I said before, that wasabi sauce was kind of the best thing on that table, because after eating that, you couldn't feel anything at all. You know, it was so spicy, so unsavory, and had a very bad taste that you just wanted to stick your tongue out and throw it away, because it was useless. It was the pure pain. You couldn't feel at all after eating that.
Why are you crying?
There was also a flower pot on our table with flowers. So I ate just a little bit of the flower, and I swear to God that was more delicious than what was on the table. Again. Okay, I gotta be silent for some minutes to just get this done. At the end, ooh, nice. Now we look like Cardi B, or maybe even Megan. Okay, at the end, we ate all the sushi without spending any extra money. Yeah, even though it took us about 4 hours to swallow those things. Nice. I think I look like Kim Kardashian than Cardi B. However, this was the first time I ate sushi. And honestly, I sometimes miss the taste. You know, when you taste such things, you actually appreciate the food you got. Pizza, burger. And ta-da! This is our Cardi B transformation. You know, I feel like in some position I look like Cardi B, and in some others I look like Kim Kardashian, and others I look like Shalina myself. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, don't forget to like it and share it with your friends so they can get to see it too. And don't forget to subscribe. We really need your support and love, and love you guys so much. Bye bye.
I like dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. I like going to the Tula. I put rocks all in my watch.